Django Celery Received unregistered task of type appname.tasks.add. Following the documentation and the demo Django project here, this URL. Project structure. My code. Ps up to /celery.py. Ps up to /init_dot_py. Ps up to /reports/tasks.py. After starting Celery from the command line with, when I attempt to run a task from within my models.py file like this, I get the following error. The 5th of August 2016 16:50:30:625, error/main process, received unregistered task of type reports.tasks.add. The message has been ignored and discarded. Did you remember to import the module containing this task? Or maybe you are using relative imports. Please see this URL for more information.
In your Django settings, you need to add each module that has a Celery task to Celery_imports.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.